Thanks, man.
Have a good one, brother.
So on today's unboxing, we have an E85 fuel pump. I would have ordered it from ZZP, but unfortunately they were out of stock, so I ordered it from Holley Performance. Let's open it. All right, first impressions here. Let's go. Always love this stuff. Boom, boom. Ha, AEM Fuel Pump. All right. All right, so first thing right off the bat, we have our in-tank filter. Like a little rubber garment. Got our new wiring. And the fuel pump. 39 millimeter. 340 liters per hour fuel pump. Looks very nice. Very nice. 40 psi. There's the part number if you want to look for it. 100% compatible gasoline, ethanol, methanol. Very nice. The only thing I don't like that they did that doesn't make any sense is they removed that lip right here to keep the hose from slipping off. But all in all, it's like a nice fuel pump. What else we got in the box here? It's like another garment. Probably goes around the fuel pump like that. Honestly, I'm just excited for stickers. Instructions. Like that goes on top. Oh, no stickers. So here are the dimensions. And there you have it. That's all that comes with the AEM E85 fuel pump.